Hi everyone! I'm reenacting the part of my lesson that I'm attempting to engage and really draw the children in to learning the focused and targeted words that we have for the week, or for at least this lesson. All right, here we go. Without further ado, first thing is, all right, remember class? Come on, let's get into our groups. What is this? Banana. Can you repeat after me? Banana. Great job. All right. This is the banana. We're going to peel the banana. We're going to peel the banana. I can't hear you. Peel the banana. All right, great job. Next, we're going to chop the banana. Good. Great job. Next, we're going to shake the banana. Shake the banana. Now you do it. Great job. We're going to drink the banana. Drink the banana. Great job. Banana. No more banana. Yes. All right, one more time. Are you ready? One more time. We're going to peel the banana. We're going to chop the banana. We're going to shake the banana. We're going to drink the banana. Banana. No more banana. All right. Good job, class. Stay with me. Eyes up. What are these? Grapes. Repeat after me. Grapes. Grapes. Good job. We're going to shake the grapes. We're going to shake the grapes. Now you do it. Yes, good job. All right. We're going to drink the grapes. We're going to drink the grapes. No more grapes. All right. What is this, class? What is this? It's an apple. Yes. All right. We're just going to eat the apple. Eat the apple. All right. Good job. Can we drink the apple? No more apple. Oh, we're going to shake the apple. Shake the apple. No more apple. Good job, class. What is this? What is this? Pear. Good job. All right. Should we chop the pear? We're going to shake the pear. We're going to drink the pear. No more pear. It's all gone. Did you eat your pear? Good job. All right. What about this? What is this, class? Cantaloupe. Can you repeat after me? Listen. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Good job. You've got it. Try it again. Cantaloupe. Good job. Great job. Should we try and chop this? Do you think we can do it? I think we can. Are you ready? Chop the cantaloupe. We're going to chop the cantaloupe. We're going to drink the cantaloupe. We're going to shake the cantaloupe. No more cantaloupe. And there you have it. That was in part a demonstration of what I'm hoping to one day do, something like that in one of my classes. And then the children would go back to their seats. They would have a basket of fruit, ideally already chopped up because these are young children, but they would at least be able to eat then the real fruit or take it with them. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.